Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for Christmas I got this Barbie thing. I also got this Apple Watch. I got so much stuff. Anyway, I am going to do a barn tour. Not of my shellac, but sips the tea. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so right now it's 9:05, and yeah, so it is called Sweet Orchard Farm. Sorry if my mom comes in here, but yeah. Anyway, this is what it looks like in here. I just sit on this rug thing, so ouch. This is Ashton, and this is what he looks like. He has this shirt on. He's a worker here. He has this little bag. I don't actually know what's in there. I think there's hay in there. I think. I don't know where he's going. He just leaned up against the bed right now. Then over here, Ashton, stop falling down. Jesus, bro.
But how the model looks in the flesh is unimportant. It's what they look like on camera, which will determine who wins the bid.
Yeah, he's not gonna stay up. He was just staying up, and now he's not, because he's being a little butt crack. There. Now stay up. Or go somewhere else, dude, because I'm not listening to you. Then this is one of the sisters. This is a sister, this is a sister, this is a sister, and this is a sister. And they all basically, their family owns this, but she's the real manager. You'll meet her in a minute. Hold up. This is Madison. She's a very farmsy girl. And she's the one who helps. She usually feeds the animals and stuff. And right now she is just saying hi to our little fox. I'm not going to put names. Well, maybe put names. These are our birds first. These are birds. I guess I'll put their name. This bird is Birdie, and that bird is Birdlet. Yeah, Birdlet. I don't know why I call her Birdlet. These are little chipmunks. Hold on. Move, Madison. This is Chip, and then this is Mama Chip. So Chip and Mama Chip. And then this is our little fox, Millie. Millie. Yeah, there we go. Then we have our deer, our fawn, whatever you call them. Her name is Spot. We have a bunch of girls. There's a little helmet right there. And then that's all for our little tree. And then there's a walking space. I don't know why, but there's not like a little ladder, but they can still like jump there. This is our vet area where our bottles are, and like there's like a needle right there. I don't know if you can see it. And then a brush. Down there, there's a water thing if someone needs water. If an animal needs water. Those are little birds. The tiny, not our birds, our bunnies. The tiny one is Marshmallow. And the mama is, what did I name her? Sorry, I forget names really easily. Kensley. It's not Kinsley, but it's Kensley. Sorry. What am I doing? This is our, that's our little hay. There's this little thing right here so you can sit and take a break. This is the manager's bestie. She's just here visiting. And her name is Michaela.
There is a lot of ideas, and I feel like
that's Michaela. This is our feed area. And then finally we get right here, and then we'll go to the animals. So this is Sophia. She's like the prettiest sister of this one, and that one. This is Mabel, her horse.
They look like granddad's brows.
She's just talking to her best friend right now. These are our animal things. We don't really have names for all of them because, like, we don't have names for our chickens or our pigs because there's so many of them. We do have names for our little sheep. Her name is Beep. Beep the sheep. And these are our goats, not our goats, our little, whatchamacallits, our little cows, or whatchamacallits, yeah, whatchamacallits. And that is Alvin, that's the boy one. They love Taylor, and you'll meet Taylor in a minute. That's Alvin, and that's Kylie. And so, yeah. Then we move on over here. This is Autumn. She's our little vet. These are dogs. This is Honey. This is Buttercup, our little puppy. Well, they're all like puppies, basically. This is Joni. I don't know why I named it Joni, but yeah, that's Joni. This is Shadow. I mean, no, this is not Shadow. This is Shadow. And this is not what I whatever said. This is Luca. That's Luca. That's Shadow. And this is Diesel. And I actually got these 3 names from my aunt's dogs because she has her dog she's had for a long time. She named it Luca. One of her youngest dogs, she named it Shadow. And then one of her that she had, like the second dog she had, she named Diesel. So yeah. Now over here we have Taylor. She's the youngest sister. She has her own little pony. I'll tell you what its name is in a minute. So as you see, it's orange, right? You know, like orange hair and stuff. Her name is Candy Corn. Yeah, Candy Corn. Get her some water. Get her some water. And so that's basically our little whatchamacallit tour. So I peace.